Hello darlings and welcome to my beauty. Today we are doing a vegan teriyaki style tofu. We're going to start off by making our sauce. I have a fourth a cup of soy sauce here with 2 tablespoons of teriyaki sauce. Next I'm going to add in a half a teaspoon of rice vinegar and a half a teaspoon of sesame oil. And next we're going to add in 2 to 3 tablespoons of brown sugar, just depending on how sweet you like it. And next we're adding in a teaspoon of garlic, minced garlic, and just whisk that all up and set it aside. Next, take you about a fourth a cup of water with a teaspoon of cornstarch, stir that up together and set that aside. And we're going to take some extra firm tofu and coat that in some cornstarch. This is going to help make it crispy when you fry it. And next, take you some veggies, whatever veggies you like. I have cut zucchini and red peppers. We're going to put some avocado oil in a pan and just fry up those veggies. And when they're to your liking, it's tender like you want them, just take those out and set them aside. Next, you're going to add in that tofu to the same pan, and you're just going to brown it on each side to your liking. And once that's all done, it should take about 7 to 10 minutes on each side, guys. But once that's all done, just take that out of the pan, and you're going to take that sauce mixture that you made and put that into the pan, and you're going to take the cornstarch and water mixture that we made, and you're going to add that to your sauce. This is just going to make it thicker, so just add it as much or as little as you like. And once that's all done, you're just going to take your veggies and your tofu and add those to the pan and just toss until it's well coated. And you're going to add that over a bed of rice. So I cooked this rice ahead of time. So yeah, make sure you cook you some rice. Anyway, put that over a bed of rice. Next, I'm adding in some green onions. And I have a side of avocado, which really sets it off. And some sesame seeds. Alright, there you have it. Thank you so much for watching, you guys. Love you. Mwah.